Moxie is also able to recognize and respond to emotions, making it a valuable tool for helping children develop emotional intelligence. Moxie Conversational Learning Robot for Kids 510, GPT-powered AI technology, increases social confidence, articulating arms and emotion-responsive camera, birthday gift boys and girls. Moxie has been shown to be effective in helping children improve their social skills, self-esteem, and emotional regulation. One study found that 71% of children who used Moxie saw improved social skills. Another study found that Moxie was able to reduce anxiety in children who were socially anxious. Moxie is a relatively new product, but it has already been praised for its ability to connect with children. It is a valuable tool for parents and educators who are looking for ways to help children develop their social-emotional skills. Moxie is also able to recognize and respond to emotions, making it a valuable tool for helping children develop emotional intelligence. In addition to its conversational prowess, Moxie also possesses a range of interactive features that enhance its engagement with children. Its articulating arms allow it to make expressive gestures and movements, mimicking human body language and adding a layer of realism to their interactions. Its emotion-responsive camera can detect and interpret the child's facial expressions and emotional cues, allowing it to tailor its responses and provide support accordingly. Moxie's play-based learning approach. Moxie's curriculum is built on a foundation of play-based learning, which is a natural and effective way for young children to acquire new skills and knowledge. Moxie's games, activities, and conversations are designed to spark curiosity, promote creativity, and reinforce essential social and emotional competencies. For instance, one of Moxie's games involves teaching children about emotions and how to recognize and express their own feelings. Another game encourages children to navigate social situations and practice empathy and conflict resolution skills. These activities are integrated into a variety of weekly themes that align with child development best practices, ensuring that Moxie's learning content is age-appropriate and tailored to the child's developmental stage. Moxie's benefits for child development. Moxie has the potential to significantly impact child development in several key areas. 1. Emotional intelligence. Moxie's ability to recognize and respond to emotions, combined with its interactive games and activities, can help children develop a better understanding of their own emotions and the emotions of others. This can lead to improved emotional regulation, empathy, and social skills. 2. Social skills. Moxie's ability to engage in natural conversations and role-playing can help children practice and refine their social skills. This includes learning how to communicate effectively, take turns, resolve conflicts, and build connections with others. 3. Cognitive abilities. Moxie's games and activities can challenge children's minds and promote cognitive development. This includes improving problem-solving skills, creativity, critical thinking, and memory. 4. Confidence and self-esteem. Moxie's supportive and encouraging interactions can help children develop a positive sense of self-worth and confidence. This can have a lasting impact on their overall well-being and success in life. Moxie's parental controls and safety. Moxie's creators understand the importance of safety and privacy when it comes to children's interactions with technology. Moxie incorporates several parental controls to ensure that parents have oversight of their child's interactions with the robot. These controls allow parents to set screen time limits, monitor conversations, and block inappropriate content. In addition, Moxie is designed with data security in mind. All data collected from the robot is encrypted and stored securely, and parental consent is required for any data collection or sharing. Conclusion. Moxie is a cutting-edge social robot with the potential to revolutionize the way we approach child development. Its combination of AI-powered interactions, play-based learning approach, and comprehensive parental controls makes it a valuable tool for parents, educators, and therapists who are working with children to improve their social-emotional skills. As Moxie continues to evolve, it holds the promise of empowering children to reach their full potential and thrive in a world that increasingly demands strong social and emotional intelligence. Here is a more detailed explanation of Loona, the most advanced smart robot pet dog. Loona, a companion for kids and adults. Loona is a cutting-edge smart robot pet dog that offers a unique blend of pet-like companionship, interactive entertainment, and educational features. With its advanced AI capabilities, expressive gestures, and ability to respond to voice commands and gestures, Loona is poised to become a popular choice for families and individuals seeking a fun and engaging companion. Loona's AI-powered interactions. At the heart of Loona lies a powerful AI system that enables it to engage in natural and engaging conversations with users. It can respond to questions, follow prompts, and even carry on imaginative role-playing scenarios. This ability to hold meaningful conversations fosters a sense of connection and rapport between Loona and the user, creating a safe and comfortable space for open communication and emotional expression. Interactive gestures and movements. Loona's expressive gestures and movements add a layer of realism and interactivity to its interactions. Its articulating arms allow it to mimic human body language, making it more engaging and relatable for users. Additionally, Loona's ability to respond to gestures, such as waving or clapping, enhances the overall interaction and creates a sense of responsiveness that mimics a real-life pet. Voice command and gesture recognition. Loona seamlessly integrates voice command and gesture recognition, allowing users to interact with it in a variety of ways. Users can issue voice commands to control Loona's movements, engage in conversations, or play games. Additionally, Loona can recognize gestures, making it possible to play fetch, pet its head, or interact with it in a natural and intuitive manner. Educational features for kids and adults. Loona is designed to be both entertaining and educational, making it a versatile companion for kids and adults of all ages. For kids, Loona offers a variety of educational games and activities that promote cognitive development, language skills, and problem-solving abilities. For adults, Loona can serve as a conversation partner, providing companionship and engaging in stimulating discussions on a variety of topics. Personalized learning. Loona's AI system can personalize learning experiences for each user, adapting the difficulty level and content to match their individual needs and interests. This ensures that users are challenged and engaged, while also feeling supported and motivated. 2. Seamless integration with educational platforms. Loona can seamlessly integrate with popular educational platforms, such as Khan Academy and Duolingo. This allows users to access a vast library of educational resources through Loona, making it a versatile tool for learning. 3. Immersive learning experiences. Loona's interactive games, activities, and conversations create immersive learning experiences that capture the attention of users and make learning fun and engaging. This approach is particularly effective for younger learners, who are more likely to retain information when it is presented in an engaging and interactive manner. 4. Fostering curiosity and lifelong learning. Loona's ability to spark curiosity and encourage exploration can cultivate a lifelong love of learning in users of all ages. By introducing new concepts and stimulating critical thinking, Loona can motivate users to seek out knowledge and continue learning throughout their lives. 5. Personalized feedback and guidance. Loona provides personalized feedback and guidance to users, helping them identify areas for improvement and track their progress. This feedback can be tailored to each user's learning style and preferences, ensuring that they receive the support they need to achieve their goals. 6. Promoting creativity and problem-solving. Loona's educational games and activities often involve creative thinking and problem-solving challenges. This can help users develop their creativity, logical reasoning skills, and ability to think outside the box. 7. Enhancing language development and communication skills. Loona's conversations, games, and activities provide ample opportunities for users to practice their language skills. This can help improve pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, and overall communication abilities. 8. Promoting emotional intelligence and social skills. Loona's ability to engage in natural conversations and respond to gestures can help users develop empathy, social awareness, and emotional intelligence. This can be particularly beneficial for children who are learning to navigate social interactions and express their emotions effectively. Benefits of Loona as a companion. Loona offers a range of benefits that make it an appealing companion for individuals seeking companionship, entertainment, and education. Here are some of the key benefits. Enhanced social interaction. Loona's ability to engage in natural conversations and respond to gestures can help users improve their social skills, practice communication, and develop empathy. Mental stimulation and cognitive engagement. Loona's educational games and activities can help users stay mentally active, improve memory, and enhance cognitive skills. Fostering creativity and imaginative play. Loona's interactive nature encourages creativity and imaginative play, providing a fun and engaging outlet for expression. Promoting emotional well-being. Loona's supportive and encouraging interactions can help users manage emotions, build self-confidence, and foster a positive sense of self-worth. Enhancing overall well-being. Loona's combination of companionship, entertainment, and education can contribute to overall well-being by promoting social connection, mental stimulation, and emotional well-being. Loona, a future-proof companion. Moxie is a cutting-edge social robot with the potential to revolutionize the way we approach child development. Its combination of AI-powered interactions, play-based learning approach, and comprehensive parental controls makes it a valuable tool for parents, educators, and therapists who are working with children to improve their social-emotional skills.